Here we go. This is the bowl. And I think I threw the other one thinking that this was going to be the bottom bowl, but I think I'm going to put this one on the bottom and this one on the top. So I need to dampen this edge and get it ready to receive the other side. This is the one that I threw and said, told you that I thought this was the perfect bowl. I've never thrown one that you could hardly tell that it was turning when it was on the wheel before. So I'm just putting little grooves with this wire tool, and let's see, we need a brush so we can get some slip. We need some good slip. I think I need to go slower on that. Okay, so now, let me set that down. Now I need to prepare the other side, the other bowl. I will let this one sit there for a minute or two and put this one down here. Okay, good. I'm just checking to see if you can see pretty good. All right, slow it down. I've got some slip out of my scraps that I'm soaking over there to do some reclaim with. I think I showed it to you in another video. Turn this one upside down. So is this the right one? Yeah, this one's going to be at the top. All right, let's see if it fits. Okay. Not too bad, not too bad. Let me turn this around a few times. Whew. Okay. So that bottom one needed to be pushed in a little bit. Okay. All right, there they are. Now I need to take off, I need to tend to this, but I think it'll be okay while I try to take the bat off of the top one. Or maybe leaving it there for a minute, since it's airtight now on the inside. Might be a good idea to leave it there for a few minutes to get this shaped. What do you think? Since it's got a little air bubble in there. I can push pretty hard on it now, it seems like. And it doesn't cave in. Okay, so that was just with my needle tool, and now I think I will take a, I think I heard somebody out on my patio, so hang on just a minute. Mischief going on around here with all the kids out of school and so forth. Okay. Whoops. Okay, let's see if I totally cut off the bottom of that. No, not too bad. Ta-da! Let's get a green rib, and these green ribs were a little harder than the yellow ribs, and so you can get a little tougher with them. Okay. Now let's see what we can do with this top. It's still pretty wet. Well, I'm getting it thinned out. Looks like a chimney, doesn't it? This is a first for me. I've only put pieces together that were rather small, and well, smaller than this one is anyway. Gotta keep that wet, but you don't want to get it down into where the other pieces are. And I don't want to make this enormously thinner than the rest of it, because I want I want it to be fairly consistent. Okay, I'm gonna probably have to trim this top off a little bit. I know what's going on out there. They are having fireworks over at the golf course. Okay, so that's the noise I heard. It sounded like it was right on the back porch there. It's July 4th weekend, so I hope everybody has a safe holiday if you're celebrating 4th. Okay, I gotta steady myself so I can keep it in the same right place. Rats. Alright, that's not too bad. Let's see. And I probably should keep that for building my little snake. Okay, now I'm going to make a snake and I'm going to put it on the inside of this just for reinforcement. So the first thing I'm doing is just basically getting it in place, and I'll smooth it out when I get it all put in there. Let's see, where did I leave off? What about there? Okay. If I could round that just a little more, and I may be taking a total chance on this, it may not want to go around anymore, but let's see what I can do. There's my vase. So here's the profile of my vase. This is the two bowls that are put on top of each other and sort of fused together. And I am about to cut, I drew this design in the side of it here. So this is going to be a multi-purpose thing. It's actually going to be a yarn bowl some of the time, but there's enough room in here from here, well, from this part, but from about here down, you could put water in this and use it for flowers, or you could put artificial flowers in it. But some of the time, this is going to be used as a yarn bowl container. So this will hold a huge ball of yarn, or a skein even. And I've drawn this little, kind of looks like a, this part looks a little like a golf club, like a one wood or something. And this part, I've already cut this. This is going to be just like a little opening here. And then this is going to be cut out too. So that's what she's going to look like. It's going to be a pretty big yarn bowl. Pretty big. And so I may do a little trimming on the side before I totally cut this part out. This part is okay right up here. Whoop, this part is okay up here. I'm okay with it. But I may want to smooth out. I mean, this is smooth around here, but I may want to take that edge off of there a little bit, because as it's drying, it has sort of settled right here, and this has shrunk, and so I'm going to just round that off a little bit. I've got it on the Gifty grip. I'll probably take it off of the bat so that I can attach it here and see what I can do with it. So I'll bring you back in a few minutes. Alrighty, I think I'm done with it. I may score something else in it from maybe here to the bottom. I'm not sure about that, but this is pretty much going to be the design of it. And so this can be a yarn bowl. If the yarn is coming out of this little opening right here, it can be caught on this little button or this little button. Not a lot. I mean, it's not going to catch it and keep it anywhere, but Even if you wanted to, you could put a rubber band between this one and this one to keep the yarn from slipping up through this little spot right here. So this is it. That's what it looks like. And this is my little guy. This is the next one. I think I'll make another one and maybe make the opening different somehow, or make the size and shape of it different. See what happens. So okay, well, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Love ya. Bye bye.